Are you looking for a way to sync new and updated events from Microsoft Outlook Calendar to Google Calendar? With zzBots, it is now easier than ever to install this one-way sync as a plugin from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new or updated events in Outlook Calendar and then automatically sync them over to Google Calendar. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Microsoft Outlook Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your Google Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync to. After you click Next and Install Now, this one-way sync will be up and running. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot as well as configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by creating a new event in Outlook Calendar and then making an update to a pre-existing event. In zzBots, your bot will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. You can see the bot history for each bot, as shown here, that will show a history of all the events synced over. Syncing over new events will use 2 bot power, and syncing over updates will use 1 bot power. Your bot will not use any bot power to check for changes. In Google Calendar, you can see that the 2 different tasks from Outlook Calendar synced over successfully. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.